Welcome to my channel, RV and Travel Adventures. This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking about RV service ripoffs. You earn your money, you want to keep it in your wallet. I recently received this email. In fact, I received it yesterday, May 19th, 2020. I got it in the mail and it says, did you know that you can take advantage of these service specials? So the opinions expressed in this video are mine and mine alone, and always do your research. And if you're not good with electronics and basically handyman sort of stuff, handy woman sort of stuff, don't do it yourself. Get somebody else to do it, okay? So I quickly clicked on the link and checked out their website. I blocked out in yellow all the details about this dealership so they won't be suing me and saying, Jesus Manuel Mena Garza, we do not like you. So here's the featured RV specials. They include roof AC service, RV brake and axle service, premium RV generator service, filter change service. The list goes on and on and on. Some are recommended every few months, others once a year, etc., etc. So let me focus on the RV battery service, which they suggest that you take advantage of every year, once every year, below $295 on this service. They'll clean your terminals and posts, test your voltage and cold cranking amps, top off your fluid, apply anti-corrosive, and that's on 6 house and 1 RV chassis battery. That's a pretty good deal if you're unable to and physically have some issues or have problems dealing with electronics and car issues. I understand. Just take advantage of that. But if you're a handyman, just like myself, handy woman, you can just buy yourself an EverStart battery post and terminal brush. You get this at Walmart or any other store typically for around $4. You just rub your little batteries with it and twirl it around, and you're clean off most of the corrosion, if there's any corrosion at all. And if there is some corrosion, you can clean it off. I saw this on YouTube, and of course YouTube is 100% truth. We all know that, don't we? 1 heaping tablespoon of this stuff, plus a pint of water, and use a toothbrush and clean all your corrosion away. So again, this magically, this baking soda gets rid of all that bluish, whitish, horrible corrosion, and it does it with a toothbrush. Don't borrow anybody your family's toothbrush. Get a cheap old used toothbrush. And of course, to top off the batteries on these old school batteries, these wet style batteries, you need some distilled water. That's all you need. And again, 90% of the batteries out there now, most people have, are what do you call, sealed batteries. So here's some new terminals and some pads if you want to add those in case you have some serious corrosion issues on your old school batteries and you've had it, being contaminated for years upon years upon years. So what do you think? Do you want to spend $294.99 to clean your terminals and posts, test your voltage and cold cranking amps, and top off your fluid, and apply some anti-corrosive spray or whatever they're going to spray? It's up to you. If you're not able, I understand. Some of you are not as handy as others. So don't forget to send me your kind and friendly comments. They're always appreciated. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate your comments. Again, thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The more subscribers I get, the happier I feel. It makes my life worth living, okay? Thank you very much. So this has been my advice regarding RV service ripoffs. This has been RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I'd like to thank you for watching my channel. Again, from Fort Worth, Texas, gracias, adios, bye-bye.